In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to an image in Lightroom. So the first thing you need to do is click the export button. And then you need to tick the button that says include watermark. And from there you can go into the settings button and you have the ability to change it to whatever you want it to be. In this case, I will change it to big watermark just so that you can see it. You can change the font and the style. There's a wide range of options that you can pick from. And if you want, you can put it in bold and italic. And then change the color between black and white. Turn on and off the drop shadow. And then you can change the position of where exactly you want it to be. And then if you change the vertical offset, you can move it up and down. The horizontal offset will move it left and right. Usually I just leave it right in the middle, and then you can change the size of it, make it really big or really small, depending on what you are looking for. And then you can change the opacity as well. I usually leave it around the default settings. It's pretty good as it is. And then after that, you can upload an actual image if you want. So if you have your own personal watermark or for your brand, in this case, it's best to use a PNG file that has a transparent background so that it's not, fully covering up the photo. And again, you can play around with the size and the opacity just to get it the way you want it to be. And if you want to, you can rotate it as well. When you're done, just press the done button. And then click export, and then save it to wherever you normally save it. And there you go, you can go back into your files and just double check it. And as you can see, it has that watermark on there now.